Many people chase trends the wrong way. Let me show you an easy and safe way to do it. Okay, so first of all, what is a trend? And to answer this question, I went to Amazon.com and entered the biggest trend right now, which is the 6-7 trend. Well, if you're working in POD, you can't really escape this trend right now. As you can see, for this keyword alone, 6-7 shirt, we get about 74,000 products. Now a trend could be anything that's hot right now. This 6-7 trend is a perfect example. It started out as a meme and then it just spread like a wildfire. So a lot of trends start on social media and can potentially generate a lot of sales in a short amount of time for you. But a trend can also quickly fade away. So it's always like this double-edged sword. And you also have to be very careful about trademarks, because there's actually some people that find joy in trademarking trending phrases. Now, who should create designs for trends? I would first of all recommend it to lower tier sellers to get sales fast so they can tier up. Now, if you're in a higher tier, I would recommend doing the 80-20 principle. And in this case, it means 80% evergreen and 20% trends. So with the 80% evergreen designs, you can generate steady income with Amazon merch. And with 20% trends, you can boost your sales even more. Now let me show you how to find trends. So the fastest and easiest way to find trends is flying research. So here we are, this is flying research. Now all we have to do is click on seller trends right here on the left. So let's click that and here we go. You can search for specific trends right here in this box. We can set the marketplace right here. We do our research on the American marketplace, so we leave it like that. Then you can choose the product type. We get quite a big selection right here. I would recommend doing the research on t-shirts, but they also recently added tumblers, ceramic mugs and KDP books. So let's leave it on t-shirt. Then you can do your sorting right here. Now the most interesting sorting is the trends winner by percentage and the trends winner BSR, and also the newest right here. Now for this demo, let's leave it on trends winner in percentage. And then we also click on advanced options. Now we get even more options to filter. We can set the time period. Now we just leave it on 1 month. And then you can set the trend types right here. I would either choose winners or newcomers. So let's just choose winners. And then you also can set the BSR range. And I like to set it from 1 to 400k. 400k, yeah, here we go. And then you just click search. And here we go. Now, as I'm filming this video, Christmas is just around the corner. So yeah, of course, you're gonna see a lot of Christmas t-shirts. And of course, a lot of 6-7 t-shirts. Now let's choose some designs which are not Christmas related and not 6-7 related. Alright, let's pick this frog right here. We can click on more info right here on this arrow. And here we go. Now the title says Japanese gamer frog art, men, women, boys, funny, and so on. We get this frog in this Japanese style, that's quite familiar. And he's got his headphones on and a gaming controller in his hands. And we got the Japanese symbols right here on the right. So when you scroll down, you can see this graph right here. And it's a really good sign when this graph is pointing upwards. You can see the current BSR right here. Now it's got a BSR of around 36,000, which is really amazing. So let's scroll up and let's download this design. All you have to do is just click on this button that says download. And here we go. And now let's generate some designs. So let me first show you method number 1. And this method uses the AI art generator Nano Banana Pro. So all you have to do is go to gemini.google.com. Then you get the prompt box right here in the middle. And then you select tools and click on create images. And here we go. Now we're just gonna upload our design. You do this on this button, on this plus icon. And then you just click on upload files. Then we select the file. And for these trends, we want to keep the design style, but also change something in the image. Now for this gaming frog, you could either change the animal or the type of hobby. So let's first change the animal. And in Gemini, you can use natural language. So I'm just going to use this very simple prompt. And it says, change the animal to a raccoon. Yeah, I think you spelled like this. Yeah. Generate the image on a dark gray background. And then we just press enter and see what we get. And you can see the thinking process. It's loading Nano Banana Pro. And here we go, it's done. And take a look at that. Now it 100% kept the style from the source image. And that's where Nano Banana Pro is really, really powerful. As you can see, it generated the image on a dark gray background. And we get this hard black outline on the graphic. And that's really important when it comes to editing the designs. Well, specifically removing the background. So let's close that again. Now we can change the image even further. So let's type in, have the raccoon read a book and remove the headphones. And here we go. Yeah, here we go. We get the raccoon, we get the book, and we got the Chinese letters or Japanese, I don't know. And the book even says Raccoon Tales. Now if you don't like this title of the book, you can just say that you want to remove it. So now we went from this frog right here to this gaming raccoon to this raccoon that's reading a book. Okay, so now we want to edit the original image again. And let's just type in, change the animal from the original image to a chicken. And let's just press enter. And here we go. Yeah, amazing. We got the gaming controller, the headphones, the Chinese, Japanese letters. But instead of the frog, we got this chicken right here. And it's got the exact same style. It's really amazing. So to download these images, you just have to click this button that says download full size. Now let me show you the second method. Okay, so here we go. This is ChatGPT. And the second method is basically a universal method that you can use for any other AI art generator. I will show you this example with Ideogram. But for this method, we first start with ChatGPT. And of course, you can also use any other AI chatbot. So what we're going to do is first upload the design. It's basically the same process. So just click on this plus and then on this paperclip. And here we go, we get the design. And we're just going to use this very simple prompt that says, give me the prompt for this image. I want this image to be on a dark gray background. So we're just going to press enter and it's analyzing the image. And here we go. So now we got the prompt for exactly this image. And now we're just going to use the very simple follow-up prompt that says, scale this prompt to 5 different animals. And we're just going to let ChatGPT choose the animals. So we get a cat, a panda, a fox, an owl, and a raccoon, yeah. And of course we can now also do a follow-up prompt for this one. So I just typed in, instead of the niche gaming, it should be for the niche reading. Edit these 5 new prompts. And then we just press enter. And here we get the same animals, but for reading. And it understood that we want the same style for these. And now all we have to do is put these prompts into our favorite AI art generator. So let's jump to Ideogram. So here we are in Ideogram. And when you want to generate a POD design in Ideogram, just use these settings. My favorite model is the 3.0 model. And then you set the render speed on default. You get the aspect ratio to 4:5. Design style. Yeah, the style is set to design. And right now we don't need these other settings. For these detailed prompts, I would always set the magic prompt to off, but keep the generation to private. And now we're just gonna copy and paste the prompts into Ideogram. So let's scroll up right here. And let's start with the cat and paste it right here. And click generate. And here we go. Let's click it. Yeah, nice. Let's see the results. Yeah, this is the first one, second one, third result. Yeah, his face is quite mean. And the last result, yeah, it's also nice. I would choose the third one right here. And you can see that Ideogram also added this thick black outline and combine that with the dark gray background. And boom, you can easily remove the background. So let's try the next one. We got this panda right here. And we just paste it in and click generate. Now if you got a lot of images, then I would highly recommend the batch feature of Ideogram. So here we go, we got the panda, yeah, nice. Now I really can't check the spelling, so if you can, please let me know down in the comments. Now of course the panda really fits this Japanese style, so props to you ChatGPT. So let's see, now here on this image we got this arrow with the cable, so I wouldn't choose that, but the other ones look really nice. Yeah, basically I would either choose the first one or the last one. Let's choose the first one. So to download and use this design, you just click on this button that says download. And let's try another one. So let's try one from the reading. Yeah, let's choose this fox. No, sorry. Let's choose this raccoon. We just copy it and paste it just like that. Hit generate. And it's generating. And it's done already. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's still got the headphones on. Let's check the prompt. Yeah, it says headphones right here. So let's see the results. Yeah, these all look quite nice. Now let's remove the headphones. So we just go to the prompt and we just have to remove this part and hit generate. And yeah, here we go. Yep, nice results. You could basically use any of these. Now, of course, with this second method, we didn't really keep the exact same style from the original image. But in my opinion, it's not really that important. What I really like about the generation in Ideogram is the fact that we get designs which almost look like vector art. Now all you have to do is to edit these designs. And if you want to know the exact steps on how to edit these AI designs to make them ready for upload, then check out this video right here.